Greetings, visionaries, tech enthusiasts, and those looking to build their future today. I am AI Horizon. Today, you aren't just watching a video, you might be laying the foundation for the business you will run for the rest of your life. Just a few years ago, writing text or creating images with AI felt like a miracle. But today, in 2026, these tools have become fundamental skills. We have moved past the question, will AI take our jobs? Now, the real question is, what kind of empire will you build using AI that others can't even imagine? Today, I won't talk about cliché ideas like writing articles and selling them. Instead, we will explore 10 scalable, sustainable, and truly profitable business ideas covering everything from ElevenLabs and Sora to GPT-5 and specialized local models. Sit back, grab your notebook, and get ready, because by the end of these 9 minutes, your perspective will completely change. Number one on our list addresses the biggest gap in modern content platforms: breaking language barriers. You are no longer restricted to producing content in only one language. Building faceless YouTube channels with AI is one of the most profitable ventures of 2026. How to do it? Pick a niche, for example, ancient history or financial literacy. Have AI write the script, generate visuals with Midjourney or Leonardo, and animate videos using tools like Veo or Sora. The secret sauce is using ElevenLabs' multilingual capabilities to publish the same video in English, Spanish, German, and Japanese, perfectly matching the cultural nuances of each language. I'm talking about producing one piece of content and earning ad revenue from 5 different global markets. This is the pinnacle of passive income. Traditional education systems are rigid, but individual learning speeds vary. Our second business idea involves AI-based tutor bots and curriculum generation services for specific niches. People no longer want to watch thousands of hours of generic course videos. You can offer them a curriculum that updates daily based on their learning pace, weaknesses, and goals. For example, imagine an AI-powered English for software developers course. You could build a platform that measures a student's level, blends missing vocabulary with the code they use in daily life, and provides custom voice-based practice. Using ElevenLabs APIs, you can integrate voice assistants that make the student feel like they are talking to a real teacher. Take a look around you. How many local businesses, restaurants, or small manufacturing plants are using AI efficiently? The answer is very few. Our third idea is optimizing business workflows for these companies using AI. As a consultant, you approach a business and say, I can automate your customer service with voice bots, manage your inventory with predictive models, and set up a system that automatically generates your weekly social media content. Companies are willing to pay significant amounts for a system that reduces labor costs by 30%. You aren't building the software here. You are the bridge connecting existing AI tools. Traditional commercial shoots are expensive. Cameras, lighting, actors, locations. It's a massive cost. Our fourth idea is to start an agency for advertising videos produced entirely with AI. For a brand, you can create a digital brand face that doesn't exist in reality but perfectly fits the target audience. This model never ages, never gets into scandals, and represents the brand 24/7. Furthermore, by using ElevenLabs, you can give this character a unique voice identity, building the brand's auditory world as well. Part of this business also includes creating professional presentations or corporate training videos using tools like Synthesia or HeyGen. The world has become much more complex. Copyrights, data privacy laws like GDPR, and digital contracts are everywhere. Our fifth idea is an AI-powered pre-audit service. You can build an AI assistant that analyzes contracts in seconds for content creators or e-commerce sellers, identifying risky clauses and checking for copyright infringements. This doesn't replace a lawyer, but it eliminates the massive cost of uncertainty before going to one. People pay for security. The real estate sector is always active. The sixth business idea is a service that decorates empty houses with AI in seconds to make them livable. A real estate agent sends you a photo of an empty apartment, and you use eye tools like interior AI to furnish it in modern, classic, or industrial styles to present to buyers. You can even use ElevenLabs to create a virtual tour guide voice that describes the features of the home in impressive videos. Visualization sells, and you become the architect of that visualization. One of humanity's greatest obsessions is living longer and healthier. Our seventh idea is an AI-powered health consultancy that analyzes wearable technology data, Apple Watch, or a Ring, etc. By training a model that integrates a user's blood markers, sleep data, and nutrition habits, you can provide a voice assistant that tells them every morning, "Your cortisol levels are high today. You should consume this food and perform this exercise." This business model is subscription-based. People are always willing to pay regularly for their health. Yes, everyone uses ChatGPT, but how many use it effectively? The eighth idea is selling prompt packs, or custom GPT models that reduce complex business processes to a single button click. For example, you could create a massive command chain for a real estate agent that writes listing descriptions, prepares social media visuals, and responds to customer objections, and sell it on marketplaces. Alternatively, you can charge high setup fees to build closed-circuit AI systems for companies that work with their own data. You aren't selling tools, you are selling the time those tools provide. Millions of blog posts, technical articles, and ebooks still exist only as text. Our ninth idea is to transform this massive text library into high-quality audio content. With ElevenLabs' emotionally expressive voice tones, you can partner with authors to turn popular blogs into audio podcasts or convert a company's technical documentation into listenable training for employees. People don't read as much anymore. They listen. You are the factory that enables this transformation. Finally, our 10th idea involves building digital worlds. The gaming sector is no longer just for big studios. You can produce AI-generated game characters, NPCs, background music, textures, and voiceovers to sell to game developers. Specifically, the technology for dynamic character voices, where characters respond in real time based on what the player says, is exploding right now. Specializing in this field could make you one of the most sought-after names in the next decade. Friends, today we have opened the doors to 2026. All 10 business ideas we discussed share one thing in common. They use AI as a tool while keeping human creativity and problem-solving at the center. Remember, in the world of AI, it's not the fastest who wins, but the one who adapts the best. Even one idea you heard in this video could change your life. The important thing is to start. Which idea was your favorite? Let's meet in the comments and talk about it. If you want me by your side on this journey and don't want to miss the latest tools and strategies, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I am AI Horizon. See you in the next step of building the future. Take care of yourselves.